In this video, I'll be showing you a simple DIY natural remedy to help keep your arteries and circulatory system running smoothly. It's fast, it's inexpensive, the ingredients are readily available at your local supermarket, and the best part about it is that you can make it in the comfort of your own home. But before we get into this detoxifying tonic, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more videos like this one, and check out the link in the description below for even more DIY natural remedies that you can make at home. Now let's get into the video. Okay, first things first. Let's make sure that we all have a general understanding of how our body's circulatory system actually works. Arteries carry blood away from our heart and to our organs. Veins, or blood vessels, carry blood back to our hearts to repeat this cycle again and again. And it is very important to have good blood circulation throughout our bodies. If any one of our blood vessels or arteries become clogged or accumulate a buildup of plaque in them due to bad cholesterol, we put ourselves at risk of developing a heart attack, stroke, or other forms of heart disease. Bad cholesterol can inhibit healthy blood flow. Our diets and lifestyle choices are the main causes of clogged arteries, a condition also known as atherosclerosis, and it often goes unnoticed until symptoms of chest pain start to arise. Red meats, processed meats, fried foods, and baked goods are among the main culprits for causing high cholesterol, and over 90 million adults in the United States suffer from this disease. Remember, there is no natural remedy that can outrank a healthy diet, a healthy weight, and a healthy exercise regimen. These three things are the foundation of a healthy life and should be the first priority in managing any health issue. Fortunately for us, we live in a world where many of the plants and herbs can serve as a medicine, and they can aid us in our efforts to achieve wellness. Just like this drink that I'm about to share with you. It's packed with anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, it has a wide range of health benefits, and it's only made up of 3 natural ingredients. Ingredient number 1, lemons. Lemons provide us with a lot of important vitamins and minerals like vitamin C, potassium, calcium, and magnesium, which helps our bodies to stay hydrated throughout the day. And potassium and magnesium are key minerals that help in regulating our heartbeats. Vitamin C helps to lower and maintain healthy cholesterol levels, and it is a powerful antioxidant which aids our bodies in neutralizing free radicals and harmful toxins, and helps us to fight off infections. Lemons also contain a certain type of flavonoid called hesperidin. Hesperidin has been shown to support a healthy cardiovascular system by strengthening our blood vessels, keeping them flexible and free from buildup of plaque. Ingredient number 2, garlic. Studies have shown that garlic reduces the buildup of plaque in arteries. And a certain compound in garlic called allicin can help to release nitric oxide in the blood vessels, causing them to relax and in turn lowering blood pressure. This can help ease the strain on the heart, making it a top choice when it comes to heart health. And whether in its fresh, dried, or ground form, garlic contains powerful anti-inflammatory compounds, which is an added bonus because chronic inflammation is the forerunner for many diseases and cancers. Garlic may even improve memory and attention in healthy adults and protect against nerve cell inflammation and degeneration. A population study done in 2019 found that people who frequently consumed garlic were less likely to experience cognitive impairment and actually lived longer lives than those who didn't. Some of the other vitamins and minerals found in garlic include selenium, manganese, magnesium, calcium, vitamin C, potassium, beta-carotene, and iron. Ingredient number 3, ginger. Ginger is within the same plant family as cardamom and turmeric. This spicy rhizome has been a very popular item of trade throughout history, mainly being exported from India to many different parts of the earth. The ginger plant has commonly been used as a natural medicine source around the world and can decrease some risk factors for heart disease like high blood pressure, high cholesterol, and high blood sugar. When our blood sugar increases, it causes our blood vessels to contract more than usual. And if this goes unchecked for long periods of time, it could lead to complications in cardiovascular health. But the good news is that ginger can help our insulin process sugar better. Ginger can help to keep blood glucose levels in check, which is essential for maintaining a healthy weight. It is loaded with powerful anti-inflammatory compounds and can even reduce pain due to arthritis. It can also be beneficial in treating colds, nausea, and migraines. Ginger is also an abundant source of antioxidants, which help our bodies to deal with stress and protects our DNA from damage. So when it comes to antioxidants, the more the merrier. And ginger is amongst some of the most top-ranking foods when it comes to its concentration of antioxidants, only being surpassed by pomegranate and some other types of berries. You can find ginger in many forms, including fresh, dried, ground, pickled, and candied. These three ingredients have undergone decades of scientific research, and as you can see, we should always be incorporating them into our diets. Ingredients like these have been missing in action from the standard American diet for far too long. It's time for us to make a change, and the easiest way to start is by introducing a few optimal ingredients like lemon, ginger, and garlic into our daily lives. And now, let's go over the easiest and the best way to do that. First, you will need 4 organic lemons. And you're going to want to make sure that they're organic, because for this recipe, we're going to be utilizing the lemon peel as well. You will also need 4 cloves of garlic and a small piece of ginger root peeled and sliced. Wash your lemons and chop them into small pieces. Next, put all of these ingredients into a blender and blend well. Pour 2 liters of filtered water into a pot. Pour the blended ingredients into that pot and bring the liquid to a rolling boil over high heat. Once the mixture has reached a rolling boil, shut off the heat and let it cool. Next, strain the mixture through a fine mesh strainer and store the liquid in glass jars in your refrigerator. The reason why we want to store our liquids in glass is because plastic bottles or containers can leach toxins into our liquids. These toxins can mess with your immune system and your hormones, so if we have a choice, glass is always the better option. Drink 1 cup of this liquid every day and enjoy the benefits of these amazing ingredients. And there you have it, a tasty tonic for your circulatory system, made right in the comfort of your own home. And don't forget to check out that link in the description below for more natural remedies like this one. I hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.